Inform a stock to trade, and we shall quickly buy the stock now. So the market is very bullish now, so all the things are going up. So I need. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 16th of July. So now let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So going to the pre-open market data. So yes, market is opening at 0.21% up at 15,958.35. Yes, the market has made a new high, as you guys know, and advanced stocks are 35 and declines are 7 and unchanged are 8 stock. So most of the stocks are opening in the advanced side, that's a gap up side. So now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is UPL with 0.81% up and Wipro with 0.71% up. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Infi with 0.45% down and IOC with 0.24% down. So this was the gap down opening stocks. Okay, so guys, as you guys know, the market has made a new high now. Okay, the market is going to go in a bearish side today also, I guess. So I'll be taking a buy side trade depending on the stock which I select. And one more thing, even though if the market has gone up, you can see that many of the stocks are still in a downtrend. And yesterday even the market went higher, many of the stocks were also in a downtrend and sideways. So you can see few of the stocks which has not performed yet. Okay, so many stocks are yet to give their performance to the bullish side, so we are still waiting for that in many stocks. Even though if the market is going higher and higher, some stock are still round bounded and some stock are yet to get that big bullish movement. So we'll see when that will get. For example, the stocks like Tata Motors are still to go in a bullish side. Okay, so this is what the view is right now according to the market. So let's see how the stock market will perform today, and let's see on what stock I'll be able to trade today. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to the stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, you can join my course today. So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So guys, right now I've selected Sun Pharma stock to trade, and we shall quickly buy the stock now. So the market is very bullish now, so all the things are going up. So in intraday, so we shall buy it. So 591.5 is where we bought. Now let's wait for at least 0.5% target. So guys, yes, right now I bought Sun Pharma stock. As you can see, it has given a breakout on first 15 minutes candle, and also you can see the previous day candle high is also given a breakout on that. Okay, it's opening above that. The opening itself was a big high change. Okay, so you can see the first candle is almost like 1% up already, and I bought it on the first candle breakout. So I can see that it will take a support there and it will go up. So that's the reason why I decided to give an buy on Sun Pharma. So right now I bought it around 691.50 somewhere, as you guys saw, and I'm still holding it now. So it's around 692.50 now. And also you can see the market is on the higher range. We can see at the top left side the Nifty is now trading at 15,954. Okay, so almost 0.20% up. And also yesterday the Nifty gave a very good movement on a bullish side. So right now seeing the same bullish view today also, so not sure whether it's gonna be for a whole day or not. So that's the reason why right now I'm in a buy section now. So let's see, let's wait for the stock to perform. So around 0.5% target I'll be booking, like around 3 or 4 rupees up. When it goes, I'll take my exit. Most probably I'll take an exit on 695 somewhere around there, because there are some resistance around 696 area also. So not sure if the stock will pass above it. So for being safer side, I'll take my exit quickly, and we'll see how the stock will perform today. So right now we are on the buy side of Sun Pharma 691.90 now. So let's see how the stock will perform. I'm waiting for 695 to come, so it might come. So we just need to wait for it. Bought in a good support level, I can tell, and the resistance levels are far away, like 696 or 697 somewhere around there. The resistance levels are there, and 692, it has to break 692 and go up above 693 for the quick fast movement. So once it goes there, I think we can get a good fast movement, but until it breaks we need to wait. So this quick movement happens only in the morning time, guys. Okay, so any side it might move, we need to be very careful, and also the market will be very volatile. Okay, so if you're a beginner to a trading, or if you're trading in an intraday, don't quickly make it trades before at least 9:20. Wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes for the market to settle. Okay, don't enter as soon as the market opens. Okay, so yes, as you guys can see now, it's almost touching 693 now. So I think from there the volatility might come soon and go up. So anyway, we'll wait for some time for the stock to give a good movement. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock has made a new high now. The stock has went up really good. It went to 695.55. So I just took my exit 7 year 695. Okay, so you can see there was a very good moment, and it was also quick moment which you can see, and we took a exit, and this was the profit what I was able to make today in the today's trade of Sun Pharma. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the strategies and techniques, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I will see you in the next one very soon.